Hello and welcome. Today's tutorial will show you how to set up a newsletter in Mailchimp, a powerful and beginner-friendly platform for email marketing. If you're looking to connect with your audience, build loyalty, and keep them informed with updates, newsletters are a fantastic tool. And Mailchimp's features makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful and effective emails, no matter your experience level. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a Mailchimp account. Open your browser and go to the mailchimp.com. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up. Enter your email, create a username, and set a strong password. Mailchimp will send you a confirmation email. Open it, click on the link to verify your email address, and then log in. After logging in, you'll need to complete your profile. Enter your business name, website, address, and other key details that Mailchimp will use in your newsletters. Tip: make sure your contact information is correct, as it'll appear in the footer of your emails. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Audience tab. This is where you manage your subscribers and personalize your newsletters. You can also add contacts by importing a list or adding subscribers one by one. Click Import Contacts and choose your import method, like uploading a CSV file or importing from Google Contacts. You can also add contacts manually. To do this, click Add a Contact and enter their email, name, and any other details you want to track. Now organize your audience with tags and segments. Use tags and segments to categorize your audience. A tip for you is to label subscribers for specific purposes like VIP or newsletters only. Segments can help you target groups based on characteristics, which makes sending tailored content easier. Step 3. Designing your first newsletter. Go to the Campaigns tab, or click on the Campaigns, and then select Create Campaign and choose the email option. Here, you can choose to make a campaign from scratch, basic layout, or a fully designed template. Let's try basic layout. Choose the layout you prefer from the options shown here. Mailchimp provides template for different purposes. The basic template is simple and works well for most newsletters. You can also choose templates under Sell Products or Make an Announcement. Add content blocks. Mailchimp's editor lets you customize with drag and drop blocks. Text block is perfect for your message or updates. Image block, add visuals by dragging an image block and uploading your file. Use branded images to build familiarity. Button block, great for calls to action like learn more or shop now. Social media block, let readers connect with you on social media. Third is to customize the style. Go to the Styles tab to adjust colors, fonts, and spacing. Choose elements that match your branding. A tip for you is that consistency with your website or social media branding can improve brand recognition. Fourth, use the link checker. Mailchimp has a built-in link checker that scans your content for broken links, which can save you from sending an email with a mistake. Always double-check your links to ensure they're accurate. Step 5. Preview and test your newsletter. Click on Preview to see how your newsletter will look on both desktop and mobile. A tip for you is that many users or readers use mobile devices, so make sure your email design works well on smaller screens. Second is to send a test email. Sending a test email to yourself or colleague helps you catch any formatting issues, typos, or broken links. Click Send Test Email and enter the test address. Now name your campaign. Give your campaign a descriptive name like Monthly Update October or Weekly Product News, so you can easily find it later. Next is to set up the recipients. Choose the audience list you want to send your newsletter to. Tip: if you have a specific segments within your audience, like new customers or those interested in certain products, consider targeting them to increase engagement. Next is to write the subject line and preview text. A good subject line encourages opens, so aim for something clear and engaging like October news and special offers inside. The preview text gives more context in the inbox. Step 6. Scheduling or sending your newsletter. Once your newsletter is ready, you can either send it immediately or schedule it. To send now, click Send if you want to send your email immediately. Or you can also click on Schedule if you have this option to send at a specific time. Select the date and time that aligns with your audience is most active. Tip: scheduling allows you to plan your campaigns and target peak engagement hours. Mailchimp will show a checklist to confirm details like your audience, subject line, and content. Double check each item before you send or schedule. Step 7. Tracking performance after sending. Once set, track your newsletter's performance in the Reports tab. This is where you'll find insights into how your audience engaged with the email. There are key metrics to review here. First is the open rate. This shows the percentage of people who opened your email. A high open rate usually means your subject line was effective. Second is the click rate, the percentage of people who clicked on links. If your click rate is low, consider reevaluating your calls to action. Third is unsubscribers. This shows if people opted out. If unsubscribes are high, try to adjust your content or frequency. Use these metrics to improve future campaigns. If your click rate is low, try different visuals or wording in your calls to action. If your open rate is low, experiment with different send times and subject lines. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your first Mailchimp newsletter. Following these steps will help you create and send effective, visually appealing newsletters that keep your audience informed and engaged. Remember, the more you analyze your metrics and refine your content, the better your campaigns will perform. Thanks for following and happy emailing. Bye!